Burping Zoo. Warning! May cause giggle attacks. Lila stands at the entrance, her eyes shining. Lila's voice rings out. Hi, I'm Lila, and today I'm feeding the animals my special snacks. Let's see who burps the loudest. A voice booms. Get ready for the wildest burp safari ever. Lila throws banana bubblegum to the playful monkeys. A monkey catches the gum and chews it, puffing its cheeks dramatically. A giant pink bubble burp explodes from the monkey, glittering as it pops. Splendid! 5 burps out of 5. The monkeys applaud the performance. Ellie, a dignified elephant with glasses, stands regally, awaiting her treat. Lila presents Ellie with a giant jug of fizzy pickle juice. Ellie slurps the juice, her cheeks trembling with delight. A massive burp erupts from Ellie, complete with confetti exploding from her trunk. Oh, my tusks! I played the trumpet with my nostrils again! Amidst a boisterous crowd, Lila presents Gary the goat with chili cheese nachos and Paula the parrot with root beer worms. The narrator announces, and now the burp battle between Gary the goat and Paula the parrot. Gary the goat declares with no regrets, I regret nothing. Paula the parrot unleashes a series of powerful burps. Burp, 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 burp. Sir Sniffington, a giraffe in sunglasses, maintains his regal air. Lila presents spaghetti ice cream. Sir Sniffington delicately slurps it, then he makes a small burp. A bubble floats out as a tiny opera singer sings. Bo! Sir Sniffington asks, encore? Lila stands at the entrance, waving goodbye to the departing crowd as the day's burp parade concludes. That's it for today's burp parade. Who burped best? Tell me what snack to try next time. Lila's voice echoes with enthusiasm. I'm Paula the parrot squawks. Burp you later.